Hi, I'm Bobby. This is my technology 6 experiment. Here we are going to see about JavaScript in timer functions and objects. Here first question is to display the digital clock, which is the exact current time. So for that, the code is, yeah, this is the code where we have called a function, we have created a function display. Inside that variable d, variable hi is hour, min is minute, s is second. So d dot get hours, d dot get minutes, d dot gets seconds will get the current time. So at last document dot get elements by id. Using this element we have combined these three, hours plus minutes plus seconds. So at last we can get a digital clock like this. So digital clock time is 19 hours 40 minutes 51 52 degree. The time is seconds are running. And the second question is, for every 30 seconds color should change, background color should change. The function used in this program is given here. So this is a variable red, math.full random colors. So at last we have combined these three. So for this, the program is, yeah, here. This is the code function. We have created a function set background inside of the same function which is given in this question. So uh, here I have given it for 2 seconds, so we can view it easily. So yeah, here it is. This is the background. For every 2 seconds, it changes its color, background color. Yeah, this is it. And the next question is, yeah, um, even handler that increase the font size when the mouse moves over a paragraph and decrease the size when the mouse moves off the paragraph. So here we have used on mouse over function. If we use on mouse over function, if we move the mouse over the text, it will zoom in, and if you move out of it, it will zoom out. So here's the code for that. That is the code. So we use on mouse over and two functions: increase size and decrease size. Increase size, if we move the mouse over the uh, text, it will increase to 28 pixel. And if we get out the mouse from the away from the text, it will retain its to its original size, which is 20 pixel. So here's the code for that. Here's the output for that. This is actually 20 pixel, and if I move my mouse to into this text, it zooms in, and if I get out, get away from the text, it retains its original size. So here it works. And the next question is, yeah, car. We have to move image at a particular interval of time. So that is the first question. So for that, the code is, it's here, and we have created a function init. It's a default function. An image object equal to document will determine my image relative. Uh, the image should move rightwards. So the first image is move. First function is move right. Uh, yeah, for every 10 pixel, it has to move uh, for 0.2 seconds. There's the 200. 2000 is 2 seconds and 200 is zero point 0.2 seconds. So that is 220 milliseconds. And in stop function, it should retain its original position where it has started. And here we gave the input type button value start and stop. If we give start, on clicking start, it will run the move right function. On clicking stop, it will run the stop function. So here's the output for that. Yeah, this is the image. This is the car. And if I click start, it moves for a 10 pixel interval and in zero point 0.2 second time. So if I click stop, it retains its original position. And the last question is, Like it had to calculate our my date of birth if it's before 2000 or after 2000. What the code is, it's here. We have created an array inside the three properties: Bobby, my register number, and my date of birth. So here we have used that if object name property 3, that is my year date of birth, is less than 2000, print birth year is before 2000, else print birth year is after 2000. So here's the output for that. See, Bobby register number you are 14.6.285, birth year is 1997. So Bobby birth year is before 2000. So it calculates. So these are the five subdivisions inside the sixth experiment JavaScript. We have seen timer function and objects using JavaScript. So this is my web technology sixth experiment.